What if I told you this totally normal-looking image is actually hiding a secret message inside it? Not in the caption, not in the metadata, inside the image itself. And only someone with the right key can unlock it. Steganography comes from the Greek words for covered writing. Imagine your friend sending you a completely normal selfie on Instagram. But when you open it with a special script, there's a secret message inside. Unlike encryption, which scrambles the data, steganography hides the fact that there's even data there. It's like a secret agent wearing a tourist t-shirt. In today's digital world, steganography is used in cybersecurity, journalism, and sometimes by hackers too. Cybersecurity professionals use steganography to secure confidential data in hostile environments. But attackers can use the same technique to sneak malware past firewalls. So learning this isn't just about cool tech. It's about understanding how both heroes and villains of the internet work. So let me show you the code we're going to use. First, we import the essentials: OpenCV, NumPy, and OS. OpenCV lets us work with images, and NumPy helps with pixel-level data. Image looks exactly the same, but now it holds a secret. Now, we grab the image, check the length and the password hint from the first pixel, and start reconstructing the original message. So there you go. You just built a tool that hides text inside images. It's simple, it's fun, and surprisingly powerful. This is how basic steganography works. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe, and comment your favorite use case idea below. See you next time.